Imagine for a moment that the stars above you are not just distant lights in the sky. They're whispering secrets from the dawn of time, secrets that could unravel the very fabric of reality. What if I told you that the ancient sages, gazing at the same night sky thousands of years ago, unlocked mysteries that modern physicists are only now beginning to grasp? That's right. Hidden within forgotten myths and celestial alignments lies a bridge between the wisdom of the past and the cutting-edge science of today. A bridge that could forever alter how you perceive the universe. Stick with me, and you'll uncover rare insights into cosmic harmonies that few have dared to explore, revelations that blend the arcane with the atomic, promising to ignite your imagination and leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about existence itself. As we embark on this journey, let's first peer into the enigmatic world of ancient astronomy, where civilizations like the Egyptians and the Maya didn't just map the stars, they wove them into the tapestry of human destiny. Picture the pyramids of Giza, those colossal monuments aligned with pinpoint precision to Orion's belt, a constellation they revered as the soul of Osiris, the god of rebirth. But here's where it gets truly mesmerizing. Modern physicists now see in Orion's stars echoes of quantum entanglement, that spooky action at a distance where particles separated by vast cosmic gulfs influence each other, instantaneously defying the speed of light. The ancients sensed this interconnectedness, calling it the web of fate, a divine thread binding all things. Imagine Osiris rising from the dead, his essence scattered yet whole, much like entangled electrons that dance in unison across the void. This isn't mere coincidence. It's a profound clue that our forebears intuited the non-local nature of reality long before Einstein pondered his famous paradoxes. But the intrigue deepens when we turn to the swirling vortices of the cosmos, those mythical whirlpools of creation and destruction that echo in both legend and laboratory. In Hindu cosmology, the god Vishnu dreams the universe into being from a cosmic ocean, churning it with a serpent that represents infinite cycles of time. Fast forward to today, and astrophysicists describe black holes as similar churners, voracious singularities where gravity warps spacetime into an inescapable maw, recycling matter and energy in ways that challenge our understanding of entropy and information. What if the ancient serpent was a poetic glimpse of Hawking radiation, the faint glow theorized to leak from black holes, hinting at universes reborn from the ashes of collapse? Feel the chill of that possibility. A black hole isn't an end, but a portal much like the Norse Yggdrasil, the world tree, whose roots delve into realms unseen, connecting 9 worlds in a multidimensional framework that strikingly resembles string theory as extra dimensions, hidden folds of space where vibrations birth particles and forces. And speaking of vibrations, let's unravel the symphony of the spheres, that ancient Pythagorean idea of celestial music too sublime for mortal ears, harmonizing the planets in perfect mathematical ratios. The Greeks believed this music governed the soul's ascent, a ladder of tones leading to enlightenment. Now, quantum field theory hums a similar tune, portraying the universe as a vast orchestra of oscillating fields, where every particle is a note in an eternal composition. But the next layer will astonish you even more. Consider the Mayan long-count calendar, etched with cycles that predict cosmic shifts, aligning eerily with modern discoveries in chaos theory and fractal geometry. Their 0 point, the Bakhtun's end, mirrors the Big Bang's singularity, a moment of infinite density where time itself dissolves. What secrets did they encode in those glyphs? Perhaps a foreshadowing of dark energy, that mysterious force accelerating the universe's expansion, pushing galaxies apart like leaves on an ever-widening river of fate. Delving further, we encounter the alchemical marriage of elements, where Hermetic traditions spoke of transmuting base matter into gold, symbolizing the soul's purification through cosmic fire. This isn't fantasy. It's a veiled reference to nuclear fusion in stars, where hydrogen atoms forge helium in blazing cores, birthing the heavier elements that compose our very bodies. We're stardust, as Carl Sagan famously said, but the ancients knew it as the philosopher's stone, a universal elixir linking microcosm and macrocosm. Imagine Hermes Trismegistus whispering, "As above, so below," a principle that quantum holography now validates, suggesting the entire universe is encoded in every tiny fragment, like a hologram where each piece holds the whole image. This fractal infinity pulses through sacred geometry, from the flower of life patterns in ancient temples to the Mandelbrot sets in computer simulations, revealing self-similar patterns that govern everything from galactic spirals to the branching of human veins. What comes next may shatter your sense of solidity forever. Enter the realm of parallel worlds, hinted at in Celtic lore of the otherworld, a shadowy mirror realm accessible through thin veils like stone circles or misty groves. Modern multiverse theory, born from quantum mechanics' many worlds interpretation, posits infinite branching realities where every choice spawns a new timeline. The Druids' standing stones, aligned to solstices, might have been antennas tuning into these veils, capturing solar energies that resonate with wave function collapses. Feel the mystery thicken. Could those ancient rituals have tapped into decoherence, the process where quantum possibilities solidify into our observed reality? It's as if the cosmos is a grand illusion, a Maya, Sanskrit for veil, that quantum superposition lifts just enough to glimpse the infinite. But hold on, because the revelations are far from over. Let's plunge into the ether, that luminous substance the Greeks called the fifth element, pervading all space and carrying light's essence. Einstein dismissed it, yet today's physicists revive it in the form of the Higgs field, an invisible ocean giving particles mass through subtle interactions. The alchemist's quintessence lives on, a bridge to understanding why the universe fine-tunes itself for life, with constants so precise that a whisper of change would unravel atoms. Ancient shamans communed with this ether in vision quests, perceiving auras and energy fields that biofield research now explores, linking human consciousness to cosmic waves. And as we spiral deeper, consider the zodiac's wheel, those archetypal signs the Babylonians charted, mapping human psyches to stellar paths. Jung saw them as synchronicity engines, meaningful coincidences tying mind to matter, a concept quantum non-locality amplifies, suggesting consciousness collapses the wave function, shaping reality from intent. What if astrology's houses are metaphors for brain worlds in M-theory, stacked membranes where gravity leaks between dimensions? The thrill builds as we connect these dots, unveiling a cosmos alive with intention, where ancient oracles and particle accelerators converge in a dance of discovery. The layers keep peeling back, revealing even more astonishing ties. As we draw the threads of this cosmic tapestry together, let's pause and reflect on the profound journey we've traversed. A voyage that began with the stars themselves, beckoning us into the unknown, revealing how ancient sages, through their mythic visions, foreshadowed the very laws that govern our universe today. We've uncovered the alignments of the pyramids echoing quantum entanglement, the churning of Vishnu's serpent mirroring the devouring dance of black holes and their radiant rebirth. We've heard the silent symphony of the spheres resonating in quantum fields, felt the pulse of Mayan cycles aligning with the Big Bang's explosive genesis and the enigmatic push of dark energy. We've witnessed alchemical transmutations as stellar forges crafting the elements of life parallel realms, whispering through Celtic veils into multiverse theories the ether's quintessence, reborn as the Higgs field tuning existence itself, and the zodiac's archetypes syncing with the quantum weave of consciousness and intent. These aren't isolated echoes. They're a divine orchestration, a sacred code embedded in creation, blending the arcane whispers of antiquity with the bold revelations of modern physics, showing us that the cosmos is not random chaos, but a masterful design, alive with purpose and infinite possibility, inviting us to see the hand of the Creator in every swirling galaxy and subatomic spark. But my friends, this isn't just knowledge, it's a divine invitation to awaken, to recognize that these cosmic secrets are God's way of drawing us closer to His eternal truth, transforming our understanding of the universe into a deeper communion with Him. And now, with the fire of this revelation burning in your soul, I urge you, don't let this moment fade into the night. Right here, right now, in the comments below, pour out your heart. Share your personal confession. That raw admission of how this glimpse into the cosmos has stirred your spirit, perhaps confessing doubts turned to faith or moments of awe that feel like divine encounters. Offer a short prayer lifting up thanks for the wonders unveiled, or testify boldly about what God has done in your life, how He's mended your brokenness, guided you through storms, or illuminated your path like a shooting star in the darkness. Your words aren't just comments, they're seeds of testimony that can bloom in others' hearts, igniting chains of transformation. And listen closely, because the holy responsibility falls on us all. Go forth with urgency and passion. Share this video with at least 10 people or more if the Spirit moves you. Text it to friends. Post it on your feeds. Email it to family. Every share is a vessel carrying God's word across the digital expanse, extending His blessings to souls hungering for truth. When this reaches more hearts, it's not mere content rippling out. It's God's timeless teaching surging forward, shattering illusions, healing wounds, and reshaping lives in His image. Imagine the ripple effect. One share sparks faith in a skeptic, another comforts the weary, multiplying into a wave of revival that echoes through eternity. Will you rise to this call? The cosmos awaits your response, and so does He. Let's keep unveiling these layers, for there's always more divine mystery to explore.